To check out and read ebooks from the Hennepin County Library, download the Overdrive app from self-service. Once you open the app, go ahead and click on Continue since you are using the app as a student. The first thing you'll need to do is connect your Overdrive to the Hennepin County Library. Click on Add a Library, type in Hennepin, and click Search. If you scroll down to the H's, you can find Hennepin County Library and go ahead and choose that one. If you know which book you're looking for, you can click on the search box and type in the title. Sometimes, though, it's easier to find ebooks by searching just for the ebooks that are available. To do this, click on Advanced right under the search box. Under Formats, change all formats to all ebooks. And then if you just scroll down and click on the search button, it will give you a list of all ebooks. Use the filters to narrow that down even more. I like to choose availability as available now. I can change my audience to young adult. And I can even go in and narrow it down by subjects. Let's see what science fiction has to offer. If I want to check out the book Plagueland, I just click on the title, and this will take me to the Borrow button. And this is where I will need to enter my Hennepin County Library card number and PIN. Once I've entered this, my device will remember it, so I won't have to type it in every time. Once I've borrowed the book, I will get to see what format it's available in. This one happens to be an EPUB ebook, and so if I just click on Download EPUB ebook, it will allow me to read it right in the Overdrive app. So once I click on it, you can see it will add the title, and if I click on the 3 lines in the upper left, it brings me to the menu where I can find my bookshelf. Once I'm in my bookshelf, all I have to do is tap on the book cover and I can start reading it. Ebooks will return themselves automatically, but if you want to return a book early, simply go to your bookshelf, tap on Edit in the corner, and then click on the Return button under the book. It will ask you if you want to return it, and then it will disappear from your bookshelf. Some books in the system aren't available in EPUB format, and so they'll need to be read somewhere other than Overdrive. If you don't have the Kindle app set up, you can tap on Having Trouble and then Read Now right in your browser. This will allow you to read the book online with an internet connection. If you do want to read it in Kindle, you will have to log into your Amazon account, then tell it to deliver the book to your device, and then go to Kindle for iOS to be able to read it in the Kindle app, which you can download from self-service on your iPad. I hope this helps you enjoy some of the great ebooks that our Hennepin County Library system has to offer.